The poorest around the world are bearing the burden of preserving wildlife, according to a study by Australian researchers. Cattle herders and farmers in Africa regularly see their livestock killed or their crops decimated without any compensation because cash from NGOs and wildlife charities is barely enough to cover conservation. Here's a report from Kenya.
As more and more humans encroach on wildlife habitats, the human-animal conflict is on the rise here in Kajiado. Nearly 100 kilometers from the capital of Nairobi, farm workers like Erik Njoka have little faith in the compensation system.
Lions are very problematic as they kill our cattle at night. The Kenya Wildlife Service usually records our ordeals, but it takes so many years for us to be compensated. We thus see no need in reporting the attacks, and so we just let the lions eat our livestock.
Families like Njoka's don't just lose an animal when there's a predator. Researchers say the impact is more dramatic as farmers in developing countries are already under a financial squeeze.
We found that countries on average living in the developing economies, mainly in the global south, that live alongside carnivores, species like cheetahs, lions, tigers, they suffer about an 8 times higher economic vulnerability when you compare them to developed economies, say in the United States, in Sweden, Norway.
Kenyan conservationists say that the current system does not work because no governments have been able to pay proper compensation. For their survival, killing the predator is the easiest option for the family.
The only way that you can actually stop the thing from happening is either put in a deterrent system or kill the perpetrator. The latter is the simplest way in a lot of cases.
Bureau Report, WION, World is One.